How to enable 2FA in Mitrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can enable two-factor authentication in Mitrade. First of all, open up the Mitrade application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of Mitrade, go ahead and tap on the Hub button at the bottom right corner. In the Hub menu that appears on the screen, select the Security or Account Security button. On the next page, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now there are two different two-factor authentication methods, that is SMS and email. Choose the authentication type. I'm just going to select email. Now after you do that, click on the Confirm button and you have set up two-factor authentication. You can also choose SMS if you want. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.